Hi class! Today we are making a popular dish often found at Chinese seafood restaurants, stir-fried chili basil clams. Here are the ingredients. First things first, we need to prep the clams. Make sure you're using fresh live clams and cook them the same day that you bought them. Soak the clams in warm water for 30 minutes to allow them to release sand. If you skip this step, you might end up with clams that have a lot of sand when you bite into them. Julienne 1 to 2 slices of ginger and set it aside. And then cut 1 jalapeno and set it aside. Now let's prep our sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine, a dash of white pepper, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of black vinegar, or any vinegar. The vinegar is optional. Mix the sauce evenly so the starch is dissolved. In a wok on high heat, add some oil, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, the julienne ginger, and the chopped jalapeno. Cook for about 10 seconds to release all the aromas. Add the clams and toss them with the garlic, ginger, and jalapeno. Once the clams are starting to open up, add the sauce that we prepped. Mix the sauce evenly with the clams. Cook for a few minutes until all the clams have opened up. If any clams are still unopened, pick them out and throw them away. Don't make the same mistake I did when I was young and force open a closed clam and eating it. Needless to say, I got really sick from eating the dead clam. Now add the basil and toss with the clams for a few seconds and then turn the heat off. At this point, if you don't care much for the sauce, you can remove all the clams and you're done. If you're like my family who loves the sauce and actually add the sauce to mix with their rice, then continue cooking the remaining liquid and then add a slurry made of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of water. Cook the sauce until it's reduced and thickened, and then remove from the heat. Plate the clams onto a more presentable bowl and then top with the sauce, and your chili basil clams are ready to be served. Now that you have learned how to make this delicious restaurant dish at home, go impress your family and friends and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, click that subscribe button.